In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to address issues with an order you didn't receive from Shein. Whether you're a frequent shopper or just made your first purchase, encountering an issue with your order can be quite frustrating. But don't worry, the process to resolve it is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure clarity and success. First, you'll want to navigate to Shein's website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering Shein's URL in the search bar. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a plethora of options and exciting offers, but let's focus on resolving our issue today. The key area we want to explore on their website is the customer service section, as this will be our avenue for getting the help we need. Once you're on Shein's homepage, look for the customer service link. This link is usually situated towards the bottom of the web page, alongside other helpful links and information about the company. Clicking here will take you to their dedicated customer support page, where you'll find several tools and resources designed specifically to assist shoppers with their inquiries and concerns. Once you're on the customer service page, you'll be introduced to various options that can aid you in resolving different issues you may have. Our primary focus is to reach out to their live support team. This is where real-time assistance comes into play, as a live agent can directly address the problem you're experiencing with your missing order. Typically, there's a chat feature available right there on the customer service page. This chat option is your direct line to communicate with Shein's support team, so take a moment to find this on the page. Now that you've accessed the live chat, it's time to communicate your issue. A clear, polite approach is always best. Start the chat by briefly introducing your issue. Mention that you have not received your product and, if possible, include specific details like your order number, the items ordered, and any tracking information you have. Providing these details up front can significantly expedite the process, as it allows the support agent to pull up your order details quickly without needing to ask for them later in the conversation. Once you've shared your details and the agent is looking into your case, be patient and ready to provide any additional information they may request to assist you further. Whether through verifying your identity or confirming your shipping address, these checks are in place to ensure your order is correctly tracked and resolved. And that's really all there is to it. Once you've provided all necessary information and discussed the status of your order with the agent, you're done. Keep the communication open for any further instructions or updates the agent might provide, and check your email for any follow-up correspondence. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to tackle this issue effectively. Happy shopping!